DIY and craft projects are all about unleashing your creativity and transforming everyday items into something extraordinary. For instance, have you ever thought about turning old wooden pallets into a stunning garden bench? It's not just a fun weekend project, it's a sustainable way to enhance your outdoor space. Then there's upcycling glass jars. Instead of tossing them, you can paint them and use them as chic storage containers or even as unique candle holders. It's amazing how a little paint and creativity can breathe new life into something that would otherwise end up in the trash. And let's not forget about home improvement. Simple tasks like installing a new backsplash in your kitchen or creating a feature wall with removable wallpaper can completely change the vibe of your home. These hands-on tutorials empower you to personalize your space while saving money. So, whether you're crafting, upcycling, or tackling home improvements, DIY projects are a fantastic way to express yourself and make your surroundings truly yours.